Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download image from Canva into Mailchimp. Okay, so so we're gonna create something. So let's create, and then we're gonna upload it into Mailchimp. Okay. All right, so gonna go with this. So this is the image we want to save to Mailchimp. Okay, so once you have the image like this, okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on share right here. All right, so once it opens up, you want to click on see all, right, and you scroll down. So as you can see right here, there's no Mailchimp right here. Okay, so what we want to do is you want to search Mailchimp. Okay, so here it is. You click on it, then you click on connect Mailchimp. So it's going to connect you to your Mailchimp. You want to make sure you've logged in your Mailchimp, you know the account already. So I'm gonna log in. I can't. Alright, so save your design files to Mailchimp. Okay, so then you click on save. Alright, so you can continue editing or click on view in Mailchimp to see what your design looks like. Alright, so as you can see, this is Mailchimp and our picture has been uploaded to our Mailchimp. Okay, so it's pretty easy and straightforward. If you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.